What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid fade on my boy Brendan, so stay tuned. We're gonna start off by picking out and combing all the hair in the direction that it lays. Once we're done laying all the hair down, we're gonna move on to our gold FX and create our first guideline. Now that we're done building him out with our gold FX, we're going to move on to our shave stick powder so he doesn't get ingrowns. Moving on to our Babyliss foil shaver, we're going to remove all the stubble. Once we're done removing all the stubble with our foil shaver, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. Moving on to the backside, you want to make sure you make your guidelines as thick as possible due to the high density of hair follicles in the occipital bone. Now that we've erased our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open. Using this guard with the lever midway and all the way closed will help you soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Continuing our work on the back side, we're going to switch over to our 1 guard all the way open and soften up the line, getting it ready for a half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 1 guard, we're going to switch over to our half guard and erase the line completely. Switching over to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to be creating our 4th guideline. This guideline will help us connect the top fade to the bottom fade. Once you're done softening up the line with the 2 guard, you're going to switch over to your 1.5 guard. Using my clipper over comb method, I'm going to debulk a little bit of the top area. I'm switching over to my freehand method just to remove a few flyaway hairs that I see. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 2 guard, we're going to switch over to our 1.5 guard and remove the line completely. Now switching over to my no guard all the way open and using the raking technique. If you're unfamiliar with the raking technique, that's when you tilt your clipper at a 90-degree angle using the length of the teeth to fade. Using our clipper over comb method, we're going to debulk the sides and connect the bottom fade to the top fade. Moving on to his front line, you want to make sure you comb all the hairs into place before you line him up. Now that all the hairs are combed into place, I'm going to begin to etch in the line. I started my C cup from the bottom and worked my way to the top half. You always want to make sure you're very gentle on the lip because the teeth of the clipper could bite him. Now that we're done lining him up, we're going to move on to our Turkish razor and use our Derby premium blades to make him as crispy as possible.